The views and opinions expressed on any program are those of the persons appearing on the program and do not necessarily reflect the views and opinions of the New Media Factory. Some programs on this network might include strong images and language and may not be suitable for all audiences. Viewer discretion is advised.
There's no such thing with Kobe Bryant. He is unstoppable, always moving, always hustling, so that nothing and no one gets left behind. Lenovo smartphone is like having Kobe right in your pocket. Elegant, powerful, everything flows. You'll never fall behind with Lenovo smartphone.
Walang iwanan.
Lenovo, for those who do.
Okay, welcome to Unbox, the video podcast.
Luneta yun, di ba?
Luneta ba yan, yung video na yan? Anyway, as you guys noticed, we kick things off with the video from Lenovo because our special guest for tonight is Miss Patricia Paredes.
It's her second time on the show.
Second time on the show.
Hi.
From Open Communications, which is distributor.
Exclusive distributor.
Exclusive distributor of Lenovo
Yep,
Mobile.
in the Philippines.
In the Philippines. So our special co-host, dahil wala pa si Alora, and Alora's legs,
Wala pa.
is Kobe Bryant nandito sa gitna.
Almost
diba?
as good as Alora and her legs.
Oo, pero hindi pa rin. Mabuhok daw to eh. So hindi kaya.
Oh my God. Like predominantly male ang audience natin.
Okay. But anyway, so again, welcome to Unbox. We're streaming live from Beyond the Box at One Rockwell. Here at the New Media Factory.
Yes, you can catch us on live.nmfnetwork.tv and we're also on iTunes.
And YouTube.
Please subscribe. YouTube.
Okay, game. So start na tayo kasi mukhang daming nangyari dito sa lamesa natin. So you guys launched 3 or 4? 4.
3 phones.
3 new phones a few weeks ago. 2 weeks ago?
2 weeks.
2 weeks ago,
2 weeks ago.
big events sa Sofitel dyan sa may Pasay.
Oo, may mga cheerleader pa na sumasayaw eh.
Siyempre, yung
Diba?
endorser namin, basketballista
Correct. Hindi kailangan nandun siya.
Kaso
No?
lang yun lang, injured. So.
Injured, tapos yung
Di ba, kailangan yung cheer eh, di ba? Injured eh.
Talaga.
Pero alam mo, may video na nilabas sa'yo nakakaiyak, yung Show Us Again, yung Kobe. Hanapin yun.
Na-injure nga siya kakashoot nung Lenovo commercial.
Hala!
Ay, hindi hindi.
Pagod yung akinis na yun.
Hindi hindi.
Yun ang lalabas sa mga sports vlogs.
Kasi naka-leather shoes.
Kobe Bryant, injured because of Lenovo. Patay tayo dyan. But anyway, baka we can start things off with one of the first phones. Which one are we going to kick off with?
This one, the A390.
So this...
Nahawak-hawak din ni Kobe.
Kaya ba natin i-zoom in from there? Para hindi na natin galawin? Kaya ba?
Ayan.
From the camera? So, zoom in! Oh! Uy, hawak ka ni
Ba't si Kobe
Kobe.
naka-white?
So which one there is? This one, no? This one.
Dun sa isa.
So ito.
Yun, no?
Okay, glare.
Okay, so this one is the
A390.
A390. So
Yeah.
baka
Lenovo.
you can share with us some of the specs, Patricia.
The A390 is it runs on ice cream sandwich. It has a 4-inch screen. It's dual core.
Pilay kasi pilay.
It has a 5MP rear camera, and it has a portable WLAN hotspot. It's dual SIM, just like most of our phones. It's dual SIM. Yeah.
Malalaglag na naman.
And this is ano, no? How much is this retail for?
This is selling for $4,999.
Wow.
Yeah.
Alam niyo, for $499, that's already good value, no? It's a dual core phone. Ilan inches yung screen niya?
4.
4 inches. At the same time, it runs ice cream sandwich. So, pretty competitive na rin, no?
Competitively priced, especially when you put it side by side with the local brands.
Yeah. And again, Lenovo, diba?
Yeah.
It's an international brand. It's
Known for
proven,
quality.
Known for quality.
Saka I'm sure mas maayos naman yung after
sales.
After sales
How
support.
does your after sales work?
We have a hotline that you call, and then wherever you are in the Philippines, we will be able to
Pick it up.
and then
Ay,
if
mas
you're
convenient.
if you're in the province, we have a system, or like a system.
Pero
Private
that's
ship
much
to
more
Manila.
convenient. Pero when you sell your phones, does it come with warranty?
Yeah.
So meron din naman. So okay naman. So
Siyempre, huwag mo lang iba to sa sahig na
Correct.
masira.
Hindi kasi yung complaint sa maraming local brands ngayon, hindi ko na sabihin ko sino, pero complaint sa kanila is mabilis masira. Diba? So yun yung risk that some people run when they buy the less than 4,000 peso phones. Similar specs nga, pero mabilis naman masira.
Of course, these are also made in China. Pero yun nga, this is Lenovo, di ba?
Feeling ko yung QA,
Mas mataas yung quality.
Number one, yeah, the brand is Lenovo. So, quality already is like,
correct.
medyo mataas
So,
na yan.
hindi to rebrands lang.
Oo.
These are
And
really-
there's one factory, there's just one factory in China, in Xiamen, where they assemble everything.
So,
Unlike
stricter
other
yung
brands
quality
that, yeah,
assurance.
probably ina-assemble dito, dinadala doon, tapos dito kasi andun na lahat. So, hindi na siya,
Actually, yun yung kwento sa atin ng isang guest natin before. They pick the parts,
tapos assemble.
Correct.
assemble. So at least ito, everything
in one
is
area.
one factory. Tsaka hindi siya rebrand. Tama si Paolo eh. This isn't a rebranded phone. It's really the Lenovo E390.
Tsaka even the Lenovo PCs, they're really known for quality kasi
Correct.
ito yun yung former IBM
Correct.
So very reliable PCs to. And of course, hindi naman siguro i-jeopardize ng Lenovo ang
Alam mo,
Tsaka
ano
hindi,
nila?
hindi magsasign si Kobe Bryant kung
Correct.
hindi siya believe sa the brand itself. Because, I don't know if you noticed in the video before we came on, he was holding a more high-tech phone. But, Lenovo is also an elegant and powerful brand on its own.
Yeah.
Like this one, the A390, it's actually one of our entry-level phones. We are proud to say that it gives the value for money.
yan, 4,999. Pwede na yan.
Yeah.
Actually, okay nga. Pero ako yung number one, alam mo, I don't know kasi if nagkaroon ka na ba ng Lenovo phone before, not yet.
meron na dati.
Ako yung favorite ko talaga for the longest time ginamit ko siya bago ko rin retire. Yung naunang P700 ba yun?
Yeah.
The Aya and not the 770.
Ano yun?
Yung malakas na battery life.
It had
okay.
like 3,000 milliampere.
I had yung unang 5-inch na nilabas dito.
Ah.
I don't even remember the name pero
Pero yun yung
S880.
yes.
Yeah.
Dual SIM?
Yes.
Tama ba? Dual SIM.
Ako, tagal kong ginamit yun bago ko rin retire. Kasi, naalala ko nun, I was switching pa from iOS to Android. Tapos yung gamit ko, yung una ko pa yatang Android phone was the SmartNet phone. So parang... so parang busit na busit ako sa button. Nakita mo naman yung unang SmartNet phone, di ba?
Parang pre-gingerbread.
Correct. So sabi ko, parang ito na ba kaya lang ibigay sa akin ng Android? Parang mag-iPhone na lang ako.
Ang layo dun sa iOS.
It's come a long way
Kasi
since-
mag-jump pa lang ako from iOS eh.
Pero yun yung Android's come a long way. Really long.
Totoo yan. But anyway, so this is the A390. It's a pretty good value for money. Alam mo, sa mga kababayan natin, talaga kababayan, lalim. Sa mga friendships natin dyan na naghahanap ng mga budget phones, hindi nyo na kailangan ngayon, alam mo yun, to just go for... Kasi sa pagsabi mong budget, ang iniisip lang nila, the local devices, the local branded devices.
Yeah.
This time around, you get a global brand, talaga known for quality. And ako isa-stress ko lang, no, yung fact lang that they just have one factory and the QA process is more stringent. I think that speaks volumes. So you seriously have to consider the A390 if you're looking for a sub 5,000.
Ano ko ay may sakit ng ulo? Di ba? Pagdating sa
Tsaka
after-sales
A390
support.
Oh, yun din. Dadabutin na lang nila eh.
Tsaka for its price, you get ice cream sandwich na, diba, it's
Correct.
4-inch. Okay na siya. I mean, because my dad is a feature phone user. I'm also trying to move
Convince him.
to
Huwag mo siya pa
Android.
SmartNet phone. Kala ko sponsor ko Smart pero hindi outdated na yung
Naka-move on na
naunang
tayo.
net phone eh.
Okay na tayo.
Pero parang for a introductory smartphone.
Pwede na
okay.
siya. Actually, kung introductory, ang i-offer ko kagad yung malakas na battery life eh. Yung
Cloud phone. I'm sorry.
Hindi,
Malakas sa battery.
Hindi, may yung
Yung before
770.
Oo.
Yan na ngayon yung para
RP
sa akin.
series, that's our professional line.
Oo, kasi yung cloud phone, ganyan kakapal.
Yun na nga lang.
At least ito, sexy pa siya tingnan.
Pero kung yung matatanda, okay din yung medyo malaking phone eh.
O, pag nagagalit
Pag
sila, pwede
nakikita.
nagagis.
Tsaka alam mo yung lola ko, ilang beses nakawala ng phone yun eh. Dahil masyadong, yung mga feature phone na
Mamahal.
maliliit.
Oo.
Correct.
So, yung mga phone niya ngayon, lagi may tali na eh.
Tsaka maganda sa mga phone ngayon, you can make the font bigger. Diba? It's more friendly.
Actually, yung mga office mate ko dati, yung pag nagla-Blackberry, ano ba yun, yung mga text, kasi doon exage eh, pag pinalaki mo yung text sa Blackberry, mukha kang boom!
Tsaka maliit yung screen eh.
Oo, so parang pag tingnan mo, wow, ilang scroll yan para lang mabasa yung message, no? Okay, anyway, sorry, nakaisang telepono pa lang tayo.
Okay.
So, this is the A390. Now we get to the second phone.
A706.
Okay,
So,
that's the
this one.
This was
the
also
left.
launched 2 weeks ago, yeah.
So, pwede ba natin on at di
It was
mahulog?
also launched 2 weeks ago at our NatCon.
Okay, baka you can share the specs?
It runs on Jelly Bean 4.1.1. It has a 4.5-inch screen.
Panalo.
It's quad-core,
Yun.
dual SIM, dual standby. has a 5 megapixel camera and has 1 gigabyte of RAM, 4 gigabyte of ROM, and expandable to 32 gigabytes storage.
Oh, di ba? Ang ganda ng telepono.
Maganda. Ayan si Kobe, oh.
Dumating!
Wait! Our fourth host is here!
Our third and
Check
fourth
out the
host.
legs.
Hindi ko inano yun ha, hindi intentional yun. Pa-zoom out na nga.
Oh my God!
Ay, hindi ko sinadya yun. Hindi ko na naman alam na makikita legs mo, no? Comedy moment.
Uy, mamaya rin mo batian. May have a show.
Sorry, parang itong dots, di ba?
Pero natawa ako doon. Talaga, nakita-kita eh. Oops, legs.
Hindi yun nakita yun.
As we say every week, hindi to rehearse.
Oo, correct.
Ay, sorry.
Mamaya na naman. Okay, but anyway, welcome, Alora. O, di ba?
Hi guys!
Diba? Fresh
Sorry.
from the fort. Anyway, sorry, nasa na ba tayo? Nasa A706.
A706.
Now, among the phones that you guys launched, nung nandun ako, I was there at your event, naman, dito ako, well, other than of course the flagship, dito ako pinaka na-interest. Kasi again, it's a quad-core phone, Jelly Bean, pero ayaw yung sabihin sa akin yung presyo. So,
Pero it's 1 gigabyte of RAM.
Sorry?
Di ba 1 gigabyte of RAM? Tapos dual SIM. And you don't usually get a lot of phones na ganito kaganda yung specs na dual SIM.
that looks nice.
Oo.
Okay siya.
Diba? Tsaka nandyan yung trademark widget ng Lenovo. Lahat ng telepono may ganyang widget eh.
So of
Yung
course,
apat
they'll have to stay tuned
For
on
the
our
price.
show or keep checking the Unbox blog.
Or Tech Local.
Tech Local.
Yeah.
Yung likod niya, dalawang kulay, no?
Yeah.
Sorry, kailangan pakita.
Sige, yeah.
Pa-zoom in nga.
Two-toned.
Zoom in now!
Ay,
Medyo na late ako. So kung nakita ninyo, yung likod
Baba mo
niya.
pa, baba mo pa.
Eh, di, taas natin. Ako para matakpan siya. Lagay ko lang na gets. But anyway, two-tone yung...
Oh my God.
Two-tone yung likod niya. So medyo parang may pagka-chrome finish dito sa taas. Ano ba yan? Chrome? O sige ko namang kulay yan. Tapos dito sa baba yung white. Ito plastic. Ito... Ay, hindi siya plastic ha.
Hindi.
Or...
Diba?
Iba yung finish, pero plastic pa rin. Pero feels much smoother. Tapos ito yung glossy type na plastic na we're familiar with. Tapos dito sa harap, kung titingnan natin, nasa may on button na to. Ayan. Diba? The usual, ito yung brand ng Lenovo. And again guys, ito yung alam mong pag-proud yung manufacturer. Eh. Pag yung brand nasa harap, hindi sa likod.
Hindi na natin sasabihin kung sino yung mga...
Correct. So pag nasa harap, pwede niyong pagkatiwalaan yan na maayos.
Kailangan.
Actually, no offense to Chinese sounding names, pero maganda nga naman kasi pakinggan yung Lenovo.
Oo.
Actually, people don't know that it's Chinese. Eh. Parang ako, honestly, the first time I heard Lenovo, I was like, okay,
It's
must be a
American
European
Ano
brand.
yung number? Pang ilan na kayo worldwide? Kasi, diba, yung sa
I think sa
IDC,
China, they're
Iba kasi-
number 2 or something. Next to Samsung.
Oo, but
In China, which is...
nawala yung,
Huge
diba,
market.
nawala yung HTC, tumaas yung LG.
Medyo hindi mo
Yeah.
na naririnig yung HTC ngayon.
Yeah.
Ewan ko ba?
Yung latest,
Marami
diba?
silang
Like,
problema eh.
it came out like 2 days ago or something.
HTC One? Ah,
Pero
yeah.
alam ko, feeling ko well, tsaka natin discussion, pero feeling ko marketing issue yung sa
Kasi they have solid phones. Pero hindi natin pag-uusapan masyado yun dahil may
Anyhow.
ibang guest.
Oo. Anyway, wala pang pricing.
Wala pa. But
May-
as soon as we have it, you're going to know.
Kailan siya ilalabas? At least, peg man lang.
May.
Which
is like-
It's May!
In 2 days.
In 2 days, May
No,
na.
definitely in May. So,
Hello.
Is it mid-May? Late May?
mid to late May.
Mid to late. Pwede ba iharap natin si Kobe sa... But anyway, so yan ang A706.
706.
Again, ulitin natin, no, it's already Jelly Bean. So it runs one of the latest, kasi yung 4.2 talaga yung totoong,
Correct.
diba, latest. It's
Jelly
4.1.1.
Jelly Bean na.
Jelly Bean. The screen is also good, no? Kung mapapansin niyo dyan.
4.5 inches.
4.5 inch.
Ay,
Yung
yeah.
screen resolution niya, hindi siya chipanga. Oh my God, why am I using terms like that? But anyway.
Carlo?
Where do you get those terms?
Sorry, like, ina-ice ko yung unbox mo eh. So,
Sorry, Kobe. That's the only way to balance.
napipilitan ako magpaslalim ng Tagalog. So,
Hindi ata malalim na Tagalog.
Oo nga.
That's
Yata wala ata sa
IPS.
dictionary.
correct. So, IPS.
Oo.
So, basta yan yung
Sige na.
A706.
Let's
And
move
now-
on to the flagship phone.
And now-
Ito na
Ito na.
po.
Oy! Yun na ba yun? Yung K900 diba?
Ito, ako, ilalabas ko ba? O
Okay.
ikaw, Carlo?
Dun, 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 dun.
Yay!
Ako, yun
Yes.
gusto ko sa ano.
Ito yung nakita yun guys sa commercial.
Yes.
Tingnan sa
Okay.
commercial, ito yung kung dumadaan kayo sa EDSA araw-araw northbound, ito yung hawak ni Kobe na phone.
Correct.
Yes.
And it looks friggin' amazing.
It's pretty.
Yes.
So,
Alam mo,
siyempre on the front, medyo
you
just
wanna
like any
hold
other
it?
Android
Alora, ikaw.
phones.
Itaas mo lang Alora.
Did you show the backside, yung yung really
This
impressive
one, yes.
Walang iwanan.
Walang iwanan.
You have the diba? You
Oh,
have that
Blair,
version na merong parang mesh or something.
Not for this one.
Alora, eat.
Not for
Alora
this
the
sorry.
Blair, yun.
Yeah, sorry.
Not for this one.
So yan, as you can see, aluminum finish, parang brushed alloy or whatever.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
Yan,
sige.
okay?
Okay.
Pero
I don't know about you.
Sorry, tao
I don't know
na.
about you guys, but since like I'm a girl and stuff, when I saw the video of Kobe Bryant,
Dead.
sharp in a suit, then holding this phone,
correct, panalo.
panalo siya.
And
So, pwedeng
one of the
dalhin
most unique features, ito nasa baba,
Intel.
By the way, this is just a test unit. So that when we will sell it here in the Philippines, walang Chinese characters.
Just sa likod.
Disclaimer!
So, tanggal lahat to. This
Ang linis
part.
tingnan mo.
mas malinis.
Di ba nasa sticker lang yan?
Okay.
Yeah.
Pa i-side view mo kasi they have to see how thin it is.
Yeah, very thin there.
Diba? It's
Okay.
crazy thin.
So,
Millimeters
ano bang
not
specs natin?
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
So it has a 13 megapixel camera.
Tada!
Yep. And it has an Intel Atom processor.
Tada!
So yun yung mga nasa laptop?
Intel.
Actually, yeah.
Can I say what Huawei told me?
Sure.
Sure.
Kasi Huawei from Intel was saying that ang Intel processor, parang yan sa kotse, kung sa dual core, mga dual core, like ito, dual core, ano,
Quad.
parang mga Kia Pride daw yan. Sabi niya, pero ang ito daw parang BMW, even the lowest.
Well, you can feel it, ah.
Yeah.
The benchmark results came out no, from CES. This one is just a step below the S4.
Yeah.
Just a step below. And that's crazy.
go.
That's crazy considering that's the latest na ng Qualcomm, di ba? And this is just
The earliest
iteration ng Intel. So imagine what things we can expect from them in the future. I'm sorry baka feeling nyo masyado ako nagbebenta, pero talagang in love ako sa telepono na to.
Maganda.
In fact,
It is. It's
sabi ko kay
pretty sleek.
Patricia kanina, the moment they have it on stock, they let me know I'll buy one.
Yeah.
Kasi ako, I really, really like the form factor. I don't know if you can see it from there, but the screen is unbelievably gorgeous. Sabi nga ni Ison kanina from the sidelines, this is the first, 5.5 inch.
And I love how when you do this, parang it like does some optical trick.
Is that your UI already? Or...
Yeah, I think that's the you.
That's more or less the final one, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Ang ganda.
Oh, ha?
Yeah.
And again, that's really fast. It's really nice.
Saka hindi siya
Parang so
plastic.
graceful.
No, correct.
It's 6.9 millimeters. Okay.
Oops, sorry, Kobe.
It's alright. 6.9 millimeters in thickness. Yeah.
Nipis, oh.
Best.
It's a 5.5 full HD screen.
So just,
Tapos, Jelly Bean na yan, di ba?
5.5.
Actually, it isn't classified that way. It's Intel Atom eh. So
And I mean,
not only the software.
The software, Jelly
I
Bean.
guess you're the techs.
Yeah.
And
You know better than
it's not just any Atom, it's a 2 GHz processor, the dual core.
Dahil pa niya mga netbook.
Yes, correct. Yung netbook ko dati 1.6 lang.
Imagine mo lahat ng
May
technology na yun,
1.2.
nakakram mo na sa
Asus
ganito
yun,
kanipis na telepono.
Samantalang malaki-laki yung net.
It's really computer in your pocket.
Yeah.
It's
And again, no, it's
computer
quite big, so it's ideal for watching movies, YouTubing, browsing the web, social networking, gusto niyo magpa-picture, tumingin ng picture, yun yung mga magaganda sa malaking screen.
Show and tell yan
Consuming,
eh.
Pang-show and tell. And ako, I guarantee, if you pull this out of your pocket, it's a real conversation starter.
Kung magkasya sa pocket.
Correct. malaki bulsa ko. So,
Nakita niyo naman sa Kobe Bryant, malaking tao, kasha. So sana ako din pag...
Ako, halatang hindi.
So, Pat, may darating yung endorser ng phone na to
Yes.
sa Pilipinas.
Kailan?
He's coming in August.
Boom!
So this is like his
Okay.
third visit to the Philippines, isn't it? His first two
Yeah.
visits were with Nike.
Nike, yes.
So, yung visit na to is because
He's
of
coming for
Lenovo?
Lenovo.
Lenovo.
Wow naman!
So, exciting, di ba?
Oo nga, no? He'll do the round siguro. Pwede siya
But
mag-guess.
is he okay?
We'll see, we'll see.
Ay, yabang natin, no? Kobe Bryant, our guest. Ano ba?
Kailangan maka
What's
every week natin guest si Pat dapat.
Oh, for added mileage. Oy, nasan si Miguel? Dapat pag pumunta dito si isasama na namin ng Mo Twister Show kahit wala akong authority sabihin yan. Kasama na siya.
Again.
Para lang bumisita talaga.
Basketball fan naman si Bo.
Oh, ano yung show before us? May show pa before us?
The Bobbery, di ba?
Times na.
Before nyo pala? Before.
Oh, pati The Bobbery, kasama na rin
Sama na.
Lahat na eh, no?
Isa pa.
Hindi,
Startup yun.
Oo, walang kinalaman doon.
But you know, I think I was not really a Kobe Bryant fan. I mean, I knew him because, syempre, Kobe Bryant siya, diba? But now that I'm a girl, what do you expect? But like, now that he's our endorser, Kobe is really bagay to be the endorser of Lenovo because he embodies that
Correct.
kind of elegant and powerful style.
Especially with this one. I think this
Yeah.
phone talaga, more than the others. Yung sa akin talaga, para sa akin kasi design has to count for something eh. Di ba kasi usually people just take a look at the pricing plus the specs. Para sa akin, design is just as important. Yung tipong pag tinignan ko, nag-enjoy ako.
Yeah.
Di ba?
I could not agree with you more.
So, para sa akin, this one,
It has to look good to your eyes.
correct. Pag linalabas mo, parang maaliw ka, parang ay, ramdam kong binayaran ko to. Or yung parang
Correct.
linalabas, di ba? Hindi yung parang pag linalabas mo, parang, nga.
Yeah.
Parang,
Okay,
at least
yun
maganda yung specs.
O, eh, wala namang
May
nakapansin nun eh.
pampalubag loob.
Di ba? Ito talaga.
That's why when I saw this sa ano, yun nga.
CES.
Sa CES, sobrang, sabi
Ang
ko,
sexy eh.
Oo, sabi ko kay JM, ito yung pinakagusto kong phone doon.
Sa lahat, di ba?
Oo.
Panalo siya eh.
That's coming in
nakita ko rin siya sa mobile world. And talaga, kung papansinin niyo, yung mga tao were really going for this one. Tinitingnan nila. So, it's a really nice phone. Wala pa rin presyo.
Wala pa rin.
Di ba pwede clue?
Wala bang price
Below
range?
I wish I
20.
could tell you. I really wish I could, you know? But
Ano na yan?
Wala ng trabaho.
in the meantime, I mean, there are other phones that you can...
Well, alam mo guys, it really depends on your budget. So, anyway, bago tayo mag-commercial, let's wrap up na rin the segment, no? Kasi di ba it's actually, we're running a bit late on the schedule. But anyway, Lenovo has 3 phones. The one available right now is the
A390.
A390. It's 4,999. Tama ba?
Yep.
It's
Available everywhere?
Available na siya
In our
now.
dealers,
Nationwide.
yeah.
So they can buy this na.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Tapos the next one is,
The A706.
which should come out this month. Wala
Next
pang
month.
price.
May.
Next month.
May. Should
Yeah.
come out in
Well,
Next month,
days.
dalawang araw na
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mid-May?
Mid-May,
First week May?
Mga mid-May.
Okay, so if you're looking for, I'm assuming an affordable or reasonable
Yes.
Parang mga
quad-core
3,
phone.
5
It's part of our A line eh. So the A line is the
Yun nga.
affordable line.
Kaya siya A.
Yeah, A siya eh. So the P770, P700,
Ano yung
the
K?
Power
professional.
or
K is
professional?
tech.
Kobe. Kobe.
Yeah, Kobe line. Yeah.
Akala ko
Kobe line.
hindi eh.
It's the Kobe line.
Patay
Yeah.
So, this is the quad-core phone. And of course, para sa mga naghahanap, ako, ito talaga. We're really
Naghahanap
something to
ng
look forward. ng malanding telepono.
Okay.
Sorry for the term, malandi. Pero at least ito yung type ng malandi na may utak kasi pati yung laman loob niya.
It's
Kakaiba
both
eh.
good, inside and out.
Nax!
Ang problema lang pag masyadong maganda, pag nag-train ka o pag nag-commute ka, mananakaw.
Ay, oo talaga. Huwag niyo ilalabas yan pag sasakay kayo sa
No,
jeep.
so please,
Well,
yeah.
that's the risk you have to take. Lahat naman eh. Lahat ninanakaw eh.
Correct.
Kahit
Alam mo,
na-
lahat yung nanakaw na ngayon.
I can
Oo
think of
naman
many
eh.
things that get stolen, but...
Yeah, di ba? Kahit pagkain lang, ninanakaw sa ref. Totoo yan.
Sorry. Alam mo, from experience,
But that's
feeling ko may
true.
kinakagalitan ka na roommate or something, no?
No.
Nakalagay na yung pangalan ko doon,
For
Alora.
example, sa Summit Media.
Ay,
Nawawala
nangyayari
yung
sa
mga-
office yan.
Oo,
wala
nawawala ang
tayong
mga
time.
pagkain.
No comment!
Yeah.
Hindi, kwento ko lang sandali before we go to commercial. I feel for you kasi bumili ako ng Mrs. Fields na ice cream.
Kinuha?
Like a few days ago.
Oo.
Tinigay ko sa ref. Tapos like a few days later, parang basta pagtingin ko sa ref, wala na
Bawas.
siyang laman.
Ha?
Hindi mo pa yung
Oo.
box. Hindi mo pa yung
Kahit nalalagyan mo ng name,
Hindi, alam mo, di man lang nila tinapon yung lalagyan pagkatapos
Yeah.
nila ubusin.
Just so you know, we ate it.
Oo. Alam mo, tapos alam mo, may tinira pa sila konti, yung pwede mo lang scrape off. Talagang sama na loob ko eh, no? Sorry ah.
Talagang shinare
It's personal.
niya. Shinare niya.
Oo, pinag-usapan na natin.
Sino ka man?
But anyway, ito ang tatlong bagong telepono na Lenovo. Again guys, the story here is affordability, quality, and of course,
Elegance.
Elegance. Hindi naman lalagay ni Kobe Bryant yung mukha niya dyan.
P.
If it's not something talaga that he would endorse.
Yes.
So again, thank you Patricia for
Thank you for
joining
having
us.
me.
second time.
I know.
Yes.
Diba? Second guesting niya na
I
yan.
invite everyone though to like us on Facebook,
Correct.
Lenovo Mobile PH.
Tsaka sa Twitter,
Sa
nakatag na si
Twitter.
Patricia.
Yes.
Oo.
Nakatag, tsaka sa Instagram.
Follow us
If you
on
follow
Instagram,
Carlo.
Twitter.
Okay.
We have a lot of exciting promos coming. Siyempre, dadating si Kobe. Pwede bang walang mangyayari,
Correct.
diba?
Dapat.
So abangan kung ano mangyayari.
Uy, ulitin din natin yung big news yun na Kobe Bryant coming.
On the Unbox Podcast.
Correct.
In August, to the Philippines.
To the Philippines. Hindi, Unbox Podcast.
Itatag ko na siya may
Probably in Makati, near Rockwell.
Oh, yun. O teka, kailangan natin mag-commercial. We're obligated. So obligated. So,
Yes.
yun. Let's just play a video from our sponsors.
At this very moment, millions of calls, billions of messages, and trillions of bytes of data can all travel at light speed in a line as fine as this. That's the power of fiber optic technology from Smart. 54,000 kilometers. That's 4 times more fiber power across the Philippines. That's better than a modern network. Live more with a leader in mobile.
Sige. Hi! Hello!
Pass the phone.
Sorry. We're online na pala, sorry.
Di.
Live.
Okay, for our next segment, so nagtelepono tayo kanina. Ngayon, tablet tayo. So, ano yung
We
tutog din?
have...
Okay.
Okay, sorry. Okay, our special guest na nakita niyo din.
Again, last week.
Actually, nauna kasi dapat last week sinabi pupunta siya.
Isa ni ko lang pinakasuki natin.
Suki ba ako?
Actually, oo, siya na yung
Parang
third.
3 or 4.
Suki rin.
Third. O, Patricia, bully mo siya. Nakakatakula siya.
Hindi,
Okay.
yung sunod na Lenovo si Kobe na eh.
Si Kobe pala.
Yan, yan
Okay, but anyway, we have Izon. Izon, may Z, ano? Izon.
Ano yan?
From ASUS Philippines. So, ano yan? May dating advice?
Oo.
Anyway,
Sa babae.
Paolo.
Izon from ASUS Philippines.
Hello
Yay!
again.
So, ano, titignan natin gadget ngayon from ASUS.
Nasa iyo, di ba?
Ay. Okay,
Oh
so
my gosh, mas obvious.
Okay lang, may backup ako.
simulan natin
thank
sa...
you.
Ano ba to? ASUS
VivoTab
VivoTab Smart.
Okay, so usually kasi puro Android tablets tayo.
Pa-zoom in
So,
naman, oh.
Sino gusto ng Windows 8 tablet?
Ako!
For a change. So, we introduced the VivoTab Smart. This is a standalone tablet where it's Intel Atom and Windows 8.
Ano yung sinabi kanina sa discussion natin? Pag Intel, BMW. Ganda segue, diba? So this is powered by an Intel processor.
So, it's Intel Atom powered Windows 8. Hindi siya yung Windows RT. So, you won't be disappointed. And,
So, Windows 8 na siya. So,
Yeah.
all the apps, ganun, mas maraming apps.
yeah, gagana talaga siya. And yung maganda sa kanya yung storage is 64 gigabytes already. So, yung
64 na.
yung
Okay.
binabahala nila na pag install Windows 8, yung matitira sa'yo is just 12 gigabytes. For that one, you have more than 30 gigabytes of storage.
Left.
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 So
For the
pwede
user.
na.
Then may micro SD din siya for expansion.
Labas mo na.
Oo nga.
Okay.
Ano natin?
Tan, tananan.
Unboxing!
Ano ba ito? Listen
Is that
dito.
it? Yan.
Mm.
Okay. So here,
Gusto lang nga. Sana may charge.
Wala yatang charge.
Paano wala? Okay.
Wala siyang battery. Okay.
But it's really nice.
Okay, wala. Anyways, standalone tablet siya. It's 10.1 inch. IPS yung screen niya.
Wala talaga charge. Sorry
Wala eh. Okay lang.
Well, at least alam mo rin na-review mo talaga.
Yes. Ang maganda sa kanya is, yung concept niya kasi is, this is 25,995.
Not
So for
bad.
Windows tablets, one of currently the most affordable.
Correct.
And 8 megapixel camera at the back. With a flash.
Mataas yan, ha?
And this is one of the few, kasi pag Windows tablet, kailangan mayroong NFC. So this has an NFC on the right side. Then, ang maganda sa kanya, magkakaroon kami ng option
Yung case eh.
magkakaroon kami ng option that it will have na meron kasi siyang sleeve eh. Siyempre nauuso ang sleeve para sa mga tablets. So for this one, this is magnetic type. Oops.
Sige, gagana yun.
How much is that?
There we
Yun,
go. Magnetic type. Then meron din siyang isa pang keyboard.
Keyboard!
Pag sinama mo.
Ay, kumakabit yung keyboard
Kumakabit
sa...
yung keyboard. So both
Paano
is magnetic.
tayo?
Oh, okay.
So yung sleeve mo, ito yung parang, well, let's say, similar sa iba na parang origami. I-fold mo.
Yeah.
Then you just twist it on the back. So,
Yun yun.
tatay ko siya. Then yung keyboard mo, gamitin mo na.
You know.
Okay.
Yun naman.
Something like that.
And it's a full Windows experience.
Yeah, full Windows 8
Maybe we'll
experience
show
siya.
them.
So of course, I don't know if you can see, the
Easily
keyboard
yan.
also has a touchpad sa
Correct.
mga mouse users. Very important for
So at the back,
Yung
ganyan.
PC
Yan.
talaga ang experience mo.
Yan yung nakikita nyo sa likod. There. Parang originally nga, diba?
So, magnetic type yung ginagamit niyang technology.
Wait, how much is that?
Yung kung
Yung
buong
accessory?
package,
Kung
it's
buo.
around, wala pang definite price, but we're looking at around 30,000 pesos.
For a
Okay.
64GB device, with Windows 8,
With Windows 8,
With the keyboard and
Bluetooth keyboard,
Yeah,
and
but
accessories.
of course you have the option not to
Yung
get.
available
the
right
keyboard?
now, yung standalone tablet
Okay.
only.
So
Pero
that's
it's-
available already.
does it have 3G or is it just a Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi for this one, but available na siya sa market right now. So,
Are you going to
medyo,
have,
hindi naman
ano?
kasing same level yung Surface, but
Oo.
pwede pa rin siyang standalone.
Hindi, tsaka I think mas okay tong size na to kaysa dun sa Surface.
Surface,
I think
Medyo
the Surface
bulky
was a
yung
little
Surface.
too bulky.
Pwede ba ako mag-StarCraft dyan?
Intel Atom, hindi ko pa na-try mag-game.
Baka StarCraft 2.
StarCraft 1, syempre, okay.
Pasensya na kumakain ako
Di pa nagla-lunch.
Hindi ba ako nagla-lunch?
Oh, wow.
But anyway, I'll try it when I do the
Sure.
full review.
So, it's basically a Windows 8 tablet na pang-enabler sa lahat. Kasi it's our entry-level Windows 8 tablet.
Yeah, it's the most affordable talaga. Tama ka.
Kasi in
Ang okay sa inyo,
competitors,
no? Parang nandun, meron
Yeah.
kayo lahat from the
High-end.
affordable to the high-end ones.
actually yung Windows 8, we launched 8 products.
Oo nga.
So, sobrang dami namin na-launch.
Yeah.
So, that's what we were proud of. Sobrang daming talagang, kasi sa research and development namin.
Yung binibenta pa lang yun, sorry yung tablet lang.
Yes.
Wala pa yung-
Yung with accessories will come by last week of May.
Last week of May.
Also at least,
Tsaka ito,
malapit na.
naka-Atom to. And of course, ASUS has a very long history with Atom.
Correct.
Alam naman natin sila yung
Of course, yung
nag-invent ng
netbook, sila talaga yun,
netbook line.
Asus.
So,
Yes.
diba? So if you expect a manufacturer to get it right with Atom, it's probably gonna be ASUS.
Alam mo,
Yeah, 1 gig lang yun
naalala ko,
natin, diba?
bumili ako ng EPC, 18,000 dati.
Oh,
Yung 701 ba yun? Super
Seven.
game.
Basta yung pinakauna binili ko sa
Ako
Asus.
din, bumili
Laki
ako
ng kinita sa'yo
ng
ng
19,000 yung sa akin.
Linux pa yun, di ba?
Ito, ang dami. Di ba may collection ka?
I have 7 Asus notebooks.
Oh, di ba?
Ano ginagawa mo sa pito?
Hindi, sa buong pamilya na yun,
Ano
syempre.
ka ba? Taga-ASUS siya.
Correct. Sige.
Hindi naman, even before.
Even before,
I even have Asus
he
phones
he
before.
collects Asus products.
Hindi naman siya tinanggap dahil nakatapos siya o ano. ASUS fan to.
Oh, di ba hindi ka
Kunin natin
Yeah.
spokesman.
You haven't really graduated yet, but then
You applied.
Yeah, and Asus got you, right?
Masyadong addict sa ASUS to. Mas marami pang alam sa atin.
Well, alam mo yung maganda dyan, kasi maganda na rin yun, no, yung pang-inspire sa mga nanonood na bata. Talagang sometimes, if you really like something, no, pwede mong gawing career eh.
Yeah.
So, tinan mo to, na-addict sa
Tingnan mo.
Asus. Tinan mo kung nasan siya
Kinuha.
ngayon.
Nasa Unbox Podcast siya.
Correct, big time!
I'm a tech enthusiast
Diba?
naman din
Oo,
talaga.
tas dito pa lalabas si Kobe sa August.
May arrive ka.
Talagang hindi maka-let go eh. No? But anyway, so this is the Vivo Tab.
Yeah, so this is the Vivo Tab Smart, 25,995.
Not bad.
Not bad. So,
So, pupunta lang sila sa kahit anong distributor? right?
for this
Or
one kasi
select
medyo
store?
selected lang. Pero as of now, sa mga major IT dealer stores, so sa mga major malls like SM.
Yung Asus sa Mega Mall, meron yan.
Yes.
I'm
Sa
sure meron
Cyberzone.
yan.
Sa Billman, meron din.
Big
Lahat
ones
naman binibenta
there.
ng Vilman.
Sa mga cyber
And they want to
zones,
be the
no?
first kasi minsan eh.
But anyway, so again, this is the Vivo Tab. By the way, may HDMI din yan so kung gusto nyo ikabit,
Yes, may micro HDMI out siya.
solve ka dyan kung gusto nyo
And-
manood ng kung ano-ano.
Micro USB port.
Oh, panalo. So this is the Vivo Tab. Expect the full review on Unbox this week. Tatry ko mag-StarCraft.
Yeah. Then isa pa,
Pawasakin mo.
ito yung Vivo Book.
Meron.
Okay, so
Laptop naman ngayon.
yes. So this
Tagal
is
na yan,
yes,
This
medyo
was one of the
matagal na.
first devices.
Yeah, we
that was
launched this
released.
in November.
Very light, no?
Pero what we're proud of, I'm
Tsaka
proud to
very
say
stylish
that,
to. Very
Yeah.
for 20,995,
It looks elegant.
this
It's
is
for...
metal sa likod,
Yeah.
sa mismong lid, C-panel, even the keyboard, lahat metal. So, touchscreen din siya.
Tsaka I used to have one of these although binenta ko.
Ano ba dapat ako bibili?
Wala may nauna It's a very sturdy device.
What we're proud of right now is we're the #1 touchscreen notebook in the Philippines.
This one.
We have a market share right now of 80%.
Wow.
Wow, laki!
Kasi paano mo nga naman tatalunin yung presyo na 20,000?
Teka, 20,000 na to?
Yes, 20,995.
Diba? For that form factor and the even the materials used.
Sorry for the language, pero pocha, panalo yun 20,000?
Yes, yung processor yung 20,995 is Intel 847.
Pwede, o tsaka...
Celeron.
Ulitin ko yung word na ginamit ko nina. Hindi siya mukhang chipanga. Yung seryoso, ang ganda tingnan naman
Pero
The things i-unbox mo.
Oo, natuturo sa akin, di ba? Di ba, hindi siya chipanga. Yeah.
For those who
Pwede
want,
ng meme yun.
a higher processor, Core i3 is 26,995.
Mura pa rin yun
Yes.
26.
For a Core i3,
Yung footprint niya is 11.6 inch.
Pero hindi siya ganun ka... Hindi naman siya makapal masyado, no?
21
Okay lang.
millimeters.
Pwede na.
So pwede ka na tumabi sa MacBook Air niya
And
na
it's
hindi
very,
ka mahihiya.
it's light naman siya. Oh.
Pero it still feels solid kahit light.
Yeah.
Yung tipong pag ginold up ka, pwede mo panghampas.
Tingin ako.
Okay siya
Medyo hindi lang natin madedemo right now is yung speakers, but yung nilagay naming speakers dyan is equivalent to 15-inch notebooks.
So malakas.
So malakas yung speakers niya.
So pwede yung pag nasa kama ka, di ba alam mo yun? Umiinit ba yan? Hindi masyado.
Not,
Oh, perfect. Di ba usually pag nakiga ka sa kama, patong mo sa tiyan mo. Tapos manonood ka ba nakiga gano'n? Hindi mo ginagawa yun. Ako lang ba yun?
Parang ikaw lang ata.
kasi ako cellphone eh, nakaganda na lang eh.
iPad ako,
patong ko na
iPad
gano'n. Hindi kasi sa akin 15-inch na di ba? So pwede mo
Yes.
lagay patong, so manood ka na lang ng gano'n. Ang iPad kasi, ginagawa ko dati, nangyari talaga sa akin, tinaas ko, may pinapanood ako, inantok ako.
Oo.
Hulog sa mukha ko. Hindi, tanong mo kay Mitch, sumungkat yung dito ko. May scar pa nga ilong ko kung titingnan nyo. Talagang nahulog sa akin. Yung hulog. Yung hulog sa akin
Yung
gano'n.
nakanto ka pa.
Hindi siya gano'n kasi napitawan ko na isang kamay.
Oo.
Tapos gumanon. So tumama sa akin dito yung pa yung iPad 3, yung manipis yung edge.
So, ang lesson dyan, pagkatabi mo yung asawa mo sa kama, huwag ka na mag-iPad.
Correct! Diba? Huwag mag-iPad. Sad naman ang story ko.
Napapahamak.
Ang dami ko na pwede kwento. Nanakawan ako ng ice cream.
Napapahamak tayo niya.
Nabagsakan pa ako ng iPad.
Kasama pa yung ice cream eh.
Correct. But di talaga ako makalet go sa ice cream, sorry. But anyway, so ito ang Vivo Book. So yung Vivo, is that a brand that Asus is developing?
I'll give you
That's nice.
a trivia.
Tama, no?
Lang, Vivo stands for to live.
To live.
Pero medyo familiar dun sa other brands kasi medyo inline like Samsung Active.
Ang ibig sabihin ng Active ay...
Vita for Sony.
Vita.
Vita, kabaliktaran
Yeah.
is Vita.
Oo.
Sony uses Bio. We use
baliktad
Vivo.
ng Active is
all-
Vita.
Yes.
Yes.
Ganun spelling yun.
Ngayon ko lang na-gets yun.
Talaga?
Oo. Yung pala ibig sabihin nun.
Alam mo naman na Samsung may limang gaya.
Ikaw ha?
Oy, bilhin niyo yung Note 8.
Is tayo.
Maganda yung Note 8.
Pero mention ko lang yung storage niya is 500GB. Yung RAM is 4GB already.
Pwede na for 20,000.
Then yung battery life up to 5 hours.
Ano yung storage, sorry?
500GB.
Pwede.
Then
Meron
meron
kayong
din-
corporate discount? Bibili na lang ako ng ganyan para sa office namin.
Pwede naman. We can
Para sa
negotiate
box,
naman.
Pwede magpa-raffle yan eh. Paparaffle ka daw, Asus ah. Asus.
Maano ako?
Asus.
Isa equal Asus.
Kailangan mo talbagin si ano kasi siya may Kobe.
Oo, putay na dito si Kobe oh.
Uy! Sino ba?
Okay na kami magpa-raffle ng ganyan.
We'll try.
Ay, sabi niya yes.
Oh my God! You put
Baka mawala ka ng trabaho.
Oo, meron trabaho si Ethan. But anyway, before we continue, meron ka pa ba ipapakita dyan sa bag of tricks mo?
Meron pa yan.
Yung price pa yung maliit.
Hindi Asus. Hindi, joke lang.
Wala na dyan.
Wala na. Actually, this one last.
Okay, bago tayo pumunta dyan, we just have to do one more commercial break, then we'll be back. Pagbalik natin, we'll do one more laptop from
Hindi tayo
Asus.
babayaran eh.
Then meron tayong special surprise para kay Alora. Naks. Okay, so, commercial.
At this very moment, millions of calls, billions of messages, and trillions of bytes of data can all travel at light speed in a line as fine as this. That's the power of fiber optic technology from Smart. 54,000 kilometers. That's 4 times more fiber power across the Philippines. That's better than a modern network. Live more with a leader in mobile.
Alam mo, panalo talaga yung
Nasa Twitter si
yung LTE ng Smart na yan.
John Rojo din.
John, I'm not sure.
Hanapin nyo sa Twitter si John Rojo, tapos i-tweet nyo siya, bigyan ng marketing assistant si Patricia.
Hindi, yung kalimutan mo na yung marketing assistant, padala si
Kobe!
Bryant sa
Correct!
Unbox
Yun
Podcast.
talaga, Kobe.
John, by the way, is the
Business unit head.
of Lenovo
Mobile.
Open Communications.
O siya, punta na tayo dito sa... Parang pinalaki mo yung VivoBook.
Yeah. So,
parang nag-mutate.
okay, so ito yung VivoBook. Parang similar yung footprint nila.
Same, no?
This is a 15-inch version.
Pero VivoBook pa rin ang tawag dyan.
Not really. This is now the N series.
N-series.
Yung VivoBook namin, we have...
Malakas
Yes.
yung sound,
Yes.
no? Oo.
So yung VivoBook
Ay,
namin,
na-testing
meron
niya
ano yan.
kanina. Nung wala kayo, na-testing ni
Oo,
Ison
malakas
kanina.
yan.
Yung VivoBook namin, we have 14-inch, 15-inch as well. Touchscreen siya. Pero as of now, yung mga enthusiasts kasi until right now, gusto ng malaking footprint.
Correct. Kasi ayaw na nila
Pero
nakakabit
ayaw
pa sa
touchscreen.
external monitor eh.
Ako, ang dami kong files.
Wait, sorry hindi natin nasabi. Yung 14-inch na to magkano? Nung VivoBook?
29,995 for Core i3.
So it's probably more appropriate to call this a mobile desktop, hindi siya
Correct. Sa laki
Yes.
a
yan.
mobile device per se.
Alam mo, kailangan pakita mo yung design na to sa... Papakita ba natin yan sa camera?
Okay, so familiar, medyo familiar.
Yan, sige, mag-focus.
So, this is, medyo familiar naman siya sa, familiar sa VivoBook. Pero this one is using matte display na rin kasi.
Nice.
And the keyboard is backlit.
Backlit
And-
keyboard.
Medyo hindi siya ganun kakapal. I'm sorry for those yung medyo nag-expect. But what's good about this notebook is yung sounds. Our partner is Bang & Olufsen.
Boom!
Yun ang
Okay,
matindi.
so kung ibang brands like for example HP, they partner Beats Audio, Harman
Yes.
Kardon for Toshiba.
Or yung mga Dolby.
Yes,
Yung mga
Dolby Digital.
antique lansing, uso pa ba yun?
Hindi na yata.
not that much. But we're proud na partner namin is Bang & Olufsen. for
Correct,
this
that's a
one.
European brand, di ba?
German?
Danish.
Danish.
So, yung maganda sa kanya is really the sounds. In my personal experience, I can even dare other brands.
Anong country ang
For
Danish?
this notebook, ito yung pinakamalakas.
Ang ano?
Anong country ang mga Danish?
Dutch ba? I'm sorry.
Denmark.
Denmark?
Denmark.
Okay.
Yung Dutch Netherlands.
Isip ko, Danish. Okay, so ano ngayon yun?
Kakagaling mo lang ng Europa niyan.
Ay, alam ko lang Spain.
Espanyol.
Espanyol.
Kakagaling mo lang doon.
Danish bread.
Okay, ano ba yung special dito sa notebook na to? Ang pagkakaiba niya kasi this one is Core i7 but standard voltage. So this is 2.6 GHz yung base clock niya talaga.
Sigurado ako pwede mag-StarCraft yan.
Yes, yung graphics nito is Nvidia GT 740. So it's the
pwede.
latest
High.
700 graphics.
Magkano siya?
49,995.
Pwede na.
For that kind of price, meron ka na ring. This one is Blu-ray na to.
Yun.
Blu-ray reader, not writer, sorry. But, maganda sa kanya talaga yung speaker. Yung dala ko ditong subwoofer is from our all-in-one PCs. But, ang maganda kasi sa Asus notebooks, yung nasa kanan niya, this one, is a subwoofer.
Teka, sa Asus lang gumagana yan?
Yes, so patented technology namin for Asus notebooks. Para gumana siya.
Pwede ba ng testing?
Yes.
As you can see, si Ison, wala siyang coding hindi tulad ng mga host.
So talaga, mahal na mahal mo
Memorize
produkto mo.
na talaga.
Oo. Kahit na, palagi ka namang di ba? Pumupunta sa ibang
Namo,
lugar.
this year, gawa tayo Unbox Awards.
Okay, medyo familiar sa dalawang
Best
speakers
guest,
ko.
Kobe Bryant.
Oo. Hindi, pero most passionate.
Yun na.
Ay, teka, nagpapatutok na siya.
This one is 2 times, di ba? Medyo familiar naman tayo dito. Pero ang maganda sa kanya, pag kinapit kayo sa woofer,
Oy!
Ewan ko kung nakakukuha yan sa ano ah.
so what's good about this is really the sound. Ang maganda sa kanya is, we have an 11 watts of power on demand.
Uy, naintindihan ko yan ha.
So, pero sa mga sa mga audio files, yung speaker niya kasi is 20 millimeters in diameter.
Yung drivers.
So, 2 pieces yun.
Ah.
Yun yung technique namin. Then,
Kasi usually, kalahati lang yung ginagamit ng ibang PC.
actually, a regular notebook is just 3 to 5 millimeters.
Tsaka buo yung tunog.
So, yun eh. Kahit lagyan mo ng malaking speaker yung notebook mo, it's nothing without bass. Kaya ginawa namin yung exclusive na patented technology.
So I see you're a fan of Britney Spears.
I actually collect.
May Aliyah pa. Hindi namin i-judge
Nakikita
ang
nila,
Millionaire.
ano po,
Magkano si subwoofer?
Diba?
yung subwoofer kasama sa package yun.
Ah, dito?
Kasama na yan?
Yes, 49,995.
Okay na pala siya.
So, yung specs niya is around for 70,000. But the overall package, that's why this is one of the best-selling notebooks of Asus right now. In demand, sobra. Kasi even on our Facebook page, binobomba ako ng Inkwell.
So kung bibili ka ng PC na desktop, you might as well consider this one.
Correct.
Kasi it's a very solid PC. Maganda naman yung specs.
To think na magkamamalalaking notebooks.
Yeah.
Hindi kasi alam mo, Alora, ang dami pa rin talagang gamers sa Pinas. No?
Yes.
Tsaka again, this one is the complete solution. Pwede ka manood ng Blu-ray dyan eh. Kompleto na eh. Kasi nasa entertainment machine.
Yeah, it's really designed for multimedia.
Diba?
Like for me, I'm a video editor. So maganda na yung graphics niya.
Video editor ka din. Ang dami mo namang sideline.
I'm a director for a blog.
A blog?
For a podcast.
Korean stuff.
No, I'm a director for a podcast.
Anong podcast?
Pwede ko ba sabihin?
Ay wag, baka magalit sa atin si ano. Salin.
Basta mamaya.
Mamaya ka.
Basta mamaya na lang.
Okay.
Wala ba natin?
Hindi naman.
May ibang gadget podcast?
Hindi naman.
Director ka ng Geeky Nights?
Huwag ka na mag-host dito
Hindi talaga yung PCs. Basta.
Yung tech squad ni Yuga.
Yes.
May kaibigan namin yun si Yuga.
Ano, okay lang, love namin yun eh.
Yung dami mga natutunan sa amin.
Doon siya pinapanood ko yun eh. Kasi alam mo, ibang-iba ang audience. Doon kasi sobrang hardcore tech.
Hardcore yun.
Kasi yung pinag-uusapan doon, cooler ng computer.
Kaso mas maganda sa atin.
O mas pang mainstream.
I understood
Hindi
that.
nakapalik sis!
Hindi, okay lang.
Hindi, ibang flavor.
No.
Kumbaga may Rocky Road, may
Friends
Vanilla.
namin si
Pero mahal, linawin ko lang ha, mahal na mahal namin si Abe. He's a really good
Tsaka
friend.
biro mo nakapagpa-trend na sila ng topic.
Correct.
Top trending sa Philippines. Kaya
Correct.
that just shows kung gaano sila kasikat, gaano sila kagaling.
Okay. Oh, but anyway, punta na tayo sa ating next segment. So for this part, pwede ba tayo mag-change background dun sa champagne thingy natin? Nax! Meron kaming special surprise para kay...
Para mailang si Alora.
Para mailang si Alora. Antayin natin yung...
Ano to? Show tayo.
Meron nga ba yung champagne natin?
Ito na ba?
Oo! Alam mo naman ako eh. Diba?
May dadating dyan, may flowers, may teddy bear.
Oo, may sasayaw.
Gusto ko na may kakanta. Chos.
Teka lang, ayaw pa lumabas ng ating champagne.
Sabi ko sa
Bastos
inyo.
yung kantang ginamit mo, Carlo.
Yun? Oo nga. Eh, para sa readers na yun. Basta wait ka lang. Eh, natin pa natin lumabas yung champagne natin.
At tatanungin
Shout out
na kita.
YouTube.
Nanood ka na ba ng Iron Man?
Oo naman.
Ako hindi pa.
Ako
The
din
first-
eh. Buti ka pa.
Hindi nga.
Manunod ako mamaya.
Sa mga manonood ng Iron Man, antayin nyo yung dulo. Diba?
Siyempre,
Yeah, meron ano.
As always, ang
Saka nanonood na
diba?
sinin, naiumpisa yun ng time mo.
Kaya mo ba gawin yan ng live or mahirapan tayo? Yun!
Okay.
Mag-play ba yan?
Para tayong mga maliliit.
Yay! Oh, gumagalaw. Hindi pa yung surprise. Hindi, sa mga hindi may alam, birthday ni...
40th.
Kailan birthday mo kahapon? Or the other day?
27.
Saturday.
So, birthday ni Alora noong 27.
I-greet nyo naman siya sa fan page niya. May
So,
fan page niya.
i-tweet nyo si Alora, happy birthday niya noong 27.
Meron na.
Diba? And i-post nyo siya sa Facebook. Yeah.
Talaga na.
Oh!
Binati ko siya. Special
Diba?
mention.
Special
Oh,
mention
fans.
yan. So, to celebrate Alora's birthday, meron kaming prepare na, parang The Buzz. May prepare kaming video. So, Alora, panoodin mo to.
Cry!
nakabuzz talaga.
Oo nga eh. So since wala kami bouquet of flowers, meron kami...
Sa tulong ng invisibility cloak.
Tada!
Teka, green yung ribbon. Naging zero.
So it's a Conti's cake. Oh, happy birthday.
The buds.
Oh, hindi pa iyak.
So may mga testimonial na yan.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Thank you guys. Sobra. Salamat.
With that, ano pa ba gagawin natin? Medyo, next week na natin tirahin tong... may oras pa ba kami? Ubus na.
Wala na.
Next week natin tirahin tong dalawa. Si Paolo pala came from Berlin. So baka next week pwede ka magkwento on the... Nahawa kami yung Google Glass, di ba?
I know.
Ilang seconds?
Mga 10 seconds.
Oh, nahawakan ni Paolo yung Google Glass for 10 seconds, making him one of the first Filipinos.
Naunahan ko kasi!
So, So,
oh my God,
one of the first
so bad.
Filipinos to ever put his hands on.
Grab, alam mo, it was the first Google Glass unit in Europe.
Oh, di ba?
Wow.
Tapos napadpad siya doon.
Oh, nice.
But anyway, so
Sige na,
again,
wala kami time.
happy birthday kay Alora. Thank you, Edison, for always supporting
Panoorin niyo
Unbox.
ang podcast ni Mo.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Pagkatapos
after
ito.
this
And
one.
thank you, of course, kay Patricia
Thank you, Showbiz Bro.
for sending Kubi next in August. Thank you din sa ating... Ay, by the way, sorry, kailangan ko lang sabihin ito.
Ayun, time.
Very fast, sorry, mag-order ng content. Number one, McCoy, you can pick up the
whatever.
The LTE stick here. Kinausap ka na ng ating beautiful staff over
Next
here.
Monday na, para nandito rin si Alora.
Oo, so yun yung una announcement, number one. Number two, di ba we're still giving away the Pocket Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi.
So may mga entries na ako nakuha, so we'll be sharing some of the videos next week sa next episode natin. So sa mga hindi pa may alam, ang Simple Lane Mechanics, gawa lang kayo ng video, ano yun? Anong ginawa ko? Para show in the video how much you want
Wala ako nun.
the smart
smart.
LTE prepaid stick. Ay, prepaid Wi-Fi, Pocket Wi-Fi. Tapos email nyo yung link sa video, upload nyo sa YouTube, tapos email nyo lang sa unboxph@gmail.com.
Walang mga bastos Pag mga bastos, i-email nyo na lang sa amin. Huwag nyo na i-upload.
Okay, so unboxph@gmail.com. Pangatlo, hindi ko sinabi ko kasi pwede ko i-announce yung mechanics, pero sabi kasi ni BlackBerry wag muna. So Wednesday pa namin papopost. So next Monday natin announce.
Okay.
So we're giving away a BlackBerry Z10. Yay!
Oh, nice. I really love it.
Diba? So
Therese, I really wanted that one.
Hindi ka pwede sumali sa contest. Hindi ka pwede sumali.
Hindi, pero yung review net ko, diba?
Buko
Para
ko
sa
mamaya.
basta mamimili kami ng Z10. Pero pwede ko na sabihin na it involves vlogging kasi yung mechanics also came from BlackBerry. So for you to be able to join, dapat meron kayong vlog. So medyo...
So kung wala pa kayong vlog,
Gumawa na kayo. Okay, so abangan ninyo yun.
Madali lang sa WordPress.
Mechanics should be posted within the week's unbox, pero we'll discuss it more in detail on Monday. Tapos next week, dami ko na sinasabi. Ano ba next week?
Monday, next week.
Next week. Basta meron ulit tayong guests next week. And lastly, Happy Labor Day.
Okay.
Oy, ako last. Sorry. Yung phone pad, kasi hindi sumulpot this episode.
Sorry, nagmamadali ako.
Okay lang yan.
Uy, magaling, di ba?
Ano?
Si Monch.
Okay, wrap up the down.
Okay,
Mag-motor na.
Ano lang, phone pad availability niya second week of May.
Magkano?
Bawal ko pa sabihin eh.
Ang lakas naman manglan ng blue balls. Laptop
Kasi
of heaven.
gagawin na niya eh.
Basta mamaya, sabihin ko na lang sa inyo.
Sige na.
Pero okay siya.
Thank you. See you next week. Stay tuned
Bye.
for Mo Twister.
Bye!